So it's the middle of summer and your AC just shut off. Well, it's probably a clogged AC line. Today we're going to be using a ShopVac to clear out that blockage. When the drain line is backed up, the water has nowhere to go, so it actually finds its way back. And you're probably experiencing water on the side, or you may experience backed up water right here. If it's backed up enough, it'll actually set off the trigger and cut off your air. Well, let's fix that issue once and for all. The attachment that I'll be using today is the Drainado. I will post a link to the product in my description. Attach your Shopvac to the end of this pipe. Once it's airtight, you can turn on the Shopvac. You're going to want to run this for at least 3 minutes. If the Shopvac hose shakes, that's a good sign. That tells you it's actually sucking up everything that's clogging the drain.
What the dog doing?
A lot of times algae is what clogs up your drain, so that's what we're trying to suck up. After 3 minutes, you can shut off the Shopvac and disattach the hose. Let's see what was clogging up the line. Luckily this wasn't too bad, but when you see that gray gunk right there, that's the algae that could have clogged up and caused a backup, and this should solve your problem. If you have any questions, let me know. Follow me for more tips.